Isithembu sakampumelelo is no longer existing, guys. It has fallen apart. Kushushu ziyakhala ziyaporoma. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the rules of the house. And running peace and wassalam. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. Trouble in paradise between Nosipho and this Bindim Saleko, guys. For those who have been following Nosipho, you all know that she was having those pictures with Mpumelelo, and obviously she was also following Mpumelelo. But right now, as I'm talking to you, Nosipho, she has unfollow Mpumelelo and also delete those pictures she was with Mpumelelo. But people are celebrating for Nosipho for saying that the good one, a wise woman. Obviously, she has seen all the drama. I don't care attitude of Mpumelelo, guys. The people are saying that Nosipho, thank you for choosing yourself, for deciding not to involve yourself in this drama, because you were going to end up being hurt. Because we all know that Nosipho was introduced to us in this season 2 of Izinganezesthembu. I don't know which episode, where people were saying that Mpumelelo was saying that Nosipho will be the first wife, and people were like, haibo nkosi yami, first wife kanjani, because there was Fuyokazi already who have 2 kids with you, and she was the main girlfriend before Tirelo. But Mpumelelo didn't want to listen to people. She was like, no. He was like, no. Nosipho, she will be here as the first wife. But people are really proud of Nosipho for living this whole drama. Yagasiyacela wasethemu. So people are saying that Nosipho, at least you were smart enough to walk away before getting married or having kids, guys. Maybe Nosipho's parents, they also noticed the things that obviously they did not like it. Every parent will not want their daughter to just get married for the sake of you're gonna be mom cool. Obviously, Nosipho, she's a very smart young woman. We don't want to take that away from her. She's a very educated young lady. She can find any other girl, any other guy. I'm not saying Mpumelelo was not good enough, but for right now, the way things are happening, I think she did a right choice for leaving this holy shanga drama, guys. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think, guys? Do you think Nosipho, she has made the right choice for leaving? Because remember, with this Izinganezesthembu, there's a bag, honey. If you're dating Mpumelelo, you're gonna get paid whenever they are shooting for this season Uthando and Izinganezesthembu. You're gonna get your monthly salary. But if you're gonna leave, it means that you just need to build your life and get the career. So there is a money in dating Mpumelelo, but if you choose your peace, forget about it. Some people, they rather have their own peace than money, guys. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this Shendi drama? But Mina, I'm just saying, Mpumelelo, obviously you need to come out with other girls, because right now it's only Tirelo who is the memkulu of the relationship of the Mijolo. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. God bless.